Convert the polar coordinate -6 2 pi over 3 into rectangular coordinates. So you would graph that on a polar coordinate plane, right? Let's just do a little rough sketch. Okay, really rough sketch, really rough sketch. You go over to where 2 pi over 3 is, which is right around here. But instead of going towards it 6, you go backwards 6, which lands you over here somewhere. So we're 6 units out and landing somewhere in quadrant 4. Now, knowing that, we might be able to say our answer already, and it looks like we can, but let's not do that right now. Let's do the actual math behind it. You see, what we need to do is, in order to turn this into rectangle, we have to understand that you are a radius and you are a degree. And if I want to turn something into rectangular, I have to find a way to turn a radius and a degree into a regular old number. And so we do that by setting x equal to r cos theta. That should look familiar. And y equal to r sine theta. That should also look familiar. R is -6. Theta is 2 pi over 3. So x is going to be -6 times cosine of 2 pi over 3. All right, now that's right here. So we know that that point right there is going to be -1/2 square root of 3 over 2. Okay. I'm going to probably have to move u down because I'm going to run into things. It's going to make me move the whole equal sign bit by bit. Is it going to make me do this whole thing? All right, I'm just going to rewrite it. I thought it would be cute to just move it, but I guess not. So let me get the purple back out. U or r sine theta, and we'll come back to you. All right, back to x. X is -6 cos 2 pi over 3. Cos is the x value. The x value for 2 pi over 3 is -1/2. So x is going to equal -6 times -1/2. Last time I checked, negative times a negative is a positive, and half of 6 is 3. Now, in order to do r sine theta, we're going to do basically the same thing. Okay, so y is going to equal r, which is -6. Sine is the x value of 2 pi over 3. So the x value for sine's the y value for 2 pi over 3. So the y value for this 2 pi over 3 is root 3 over 2. So y is going to equal -6 times root 3 over 2. 6 and the 2 simplify, and you end up with y equals root 3. -3, root 3. So my x is 3. My y is -3 root 3. And that looks legit, I guess. And so that ended up being b, which I know we could have done that if we just noticed where the point was in the first place. But what's the fun in that?